everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who and I am. What? We are what? Back with another video, man. I'm finally feeling better, guys. Probably can tell by the energy I got. Man, I'm just happy to be feeling better again. It's a beautiful day outside, and we about to do something red really quick. You probably read the title, and actually this came across me in a video I was watching about the cabin air filter. And I'm pretty sure most people don't or haven't replaced their cabin air filter, or some trucks don't even have one. My Ram had one but didn't have one installed. But most people forget about it because of the location and where it's at. You know, it's just not one of those things that's very much talked about. But you do have a cabin air filter in your Ford F-150. You should. I do. Well, I think I do. I ain't even checked yet. Supposed to change it every 1 year, every 10,000 miles. So I'm interested to see if this has been changed at all, because my truck is now 2015, so it's 5 years old. Yes, 5 years old now. I'm sorry, the new year just threw me out. 5 years old. So let's see how this air filter looks. It's super easy to do. You only need a 7mm drill bit there to get out what you need. So it's supposed to be easy. There's two ways to do it. You can remove the glove compartment, and the other way you can do it, I saw another video where the guy said you don't have to. So I'm gonna try it that way. I don't feel like removing the glove compartment. So let's go ahead and kick this video off, man. Hope y'all enjoy. It should be quick. Let's go. Before we get started with today's video, man, I do want to say thank you all for watching those other videos. Hope y'all enjoyed the series of the MPT tune review. Hope that was some good information for y'all. Also like the wedding videos that I've been posting lately. Thank you for watching those. I know they're not truck related stuff, but I know my channel is based around red, and that's where it comes from, and I get it. When I started my channel, I did want it to be kind of like definitely car inclusive with red, but like cars, motorcycles, everything, daily vlogs, but usually me doing something, not just me sitting and talking to the camera. And that's why my channel name is Kicking It With Q, because I'm Q, and just come kicking with me whatever I do. You know, it's not named after my truck, so it's like more so just come kicking with me whatever I do in life and go in life. Thank y'all for coming, and that's why the name of my channel is Kicking It Q. So apologize. I ain't gonna say I apologize for some of those videos, but you should expect some of those videos like that on my channel, because it's just my life. That's kicking it with me. But anyway, let's get to what we're doing today. And I forgot to tell y'all, the air filter I did get is the Motocraft air filter, and it is the FP79 model. I got this from Amazon for about $16. And yeah, if you go to the dealership, they're probably going to charge you to replace this for about 50 or 60, probably more than that, just to replace this air filter, man. And I'm telling you, air filter is only 50 bucks. I mean, the air filter is less than $16, and to do it yourself will probably take you about 10 minutes. So you're saving yourself probably like $50, $60, man. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see. So first, only thing you want to do is go ahead and open your glove compartment. Excuse me, I do have stuff in there. I may need more room, not sure, but open it, and then you just go ahead and take this little rubber piece off right here, like so. It just pops in. Whoop, done. There you go. And I'm doing this with one hand, by the way. I'm gonna try to. So here's your two bolts right here that you need to take off. They're both 7mm from what I heard. So let's go ahead and unscrew them. Got my drill here, and we'll go ahead and take them off. So let's see which way. Nope. Okay, for some reason my drill is not working. Okay, for some reason I had to loosen it up with my ratchet there, and now I can drill it out. So take this one out there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this one really quick, which is ratchet it loose and then use my drill. For some reason I'm not sure why I have to do that, but that's just how. Got that one out. Give me these two here. Set these right there on the floor. So this should now just pop out. It's like usually some clamps, so you just pull on this here, just kind of pull and it'll pop. Sorry. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. There we go. So I'm not sure if y'all heard that, but there we go. Got that out. And so now it's going to be connected right here to your glove box, like a glove box sensor. You can take that out if you want to, or you just move it to the side. I'm just moving it to the side. I'm trying to do this as efficiently as possible. And how this pops out, guys, you can see there's two little clamps right here, these white clamps on each side. So that's what's holding it in there. And right back there, you can see the honeycomb looking shape. Let me see if I can get my camera down there. That back there, here is your cabin air filter. So if you just reach your hand back there, on the right hand side is like a little clamp, and get it, and you just basically pull out on that clamp, it will come off. So there it is. Boom. there, and it should just come on off. There we go. Boom. Got it off. So keep that like that so I know how it goes back. And there's your filter back there. Looks pretty clean actually. Go pull it out and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Not bad at all. So just a note, when you pull it out, what I noticed and what the video was showing me was the forward emblem is up, the air is up, and the arrow is down. So remember that when you're pulling it out, which way you want to put the new one back in. But let's do a comparison here really quick, see what they look like. So here is the new one, and here's the old one, side by side comparison. Yeah, so it does look pretty dirty now compared to this one. Let's go ahead and just put our new one in. So we could just go reverse everything we did. It would just put this down here. Don't need that. So make sure my forward emblem is here, the air is here, and the arrow is down. So looks pretty good. Is this extra wrapping? Or does this come off? No, that does not come off. So just gonna slide this back in there. Should go in pretty easy. Let's see here. Sorry guys, again, trying to do this with one hand. So trying to fold that back, this in there, and just slide it up and in. There we go. Boom. Just like that. That is in there. Took me maybe 5-7 minutes, and now I got a new air filter in. So super easy way to do it. I did not, as you saw, I did not move my glove compartment at all. I was able to get in there without taking it down. Most videos recommend you pull the glove box down by this clamp here, moving this, which is connected on the inside, and also another clamp right here, this thing. So I did not do that, and I was able to get it done. So anyway, man, I'm just go ahead, put everything back together here really quick. Got my got the cover back on now. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this back here. It should just pop into place. One sided click, boom, there we go. 2 sided clicks, so it's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put our bolts back. Got that back in there. Go ahead and put my book back. Just check it to make sure everything closed and opens okay. So yep, done. We are good to go. Hey, what's up everybody? Quick video break right here. I got another shout out to one of the supporters of the channel, and my man named Nick down in Houston, man. So me and Nick talked, he reached out, we talked about exhaust. So Nick actually put me on to exhaust mod that I have got done. See, I'll stay tuned for that, not right here. But shout out to you, Nick, man. So Nick also, of course, is the F150 owner. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some pictures and tell you about his F150. Nick has a 2017 EcoBoost, Canadian intake with throttle body spacer, onboard air with Klein train horns. He has a JBL sound system with new speakers and amp. He also has a Chrome Delete with Switch Pro Pods, and he also has a something else. I'm trying to see what it was. He has a new, like, he's putting in coilovers with the BDS, as you can see there, the BDS upper control arms, and he's putting on a halo leveling coilover kit. A custom switch pod, guys, he made himself from a 3D printer. He said he does all the work on his truck himself, man. So anybody who does that, I also always got big ups and big respect for. He also got the white lights on the Raptor grill, not the Raptor grill, but just the custom grills. You see the white lights instead of the orange, which I think is a nice touch as well, man. So again, Nick, shout out to you, man. Thank you for reaching out to me on the exhaust information, man. It was a great information. I appreciate it. But y'all go ahead and check Nick out. Go ahead and post him right down here. I'm not sure how big he is on Instagram, but I'm just gonna do him a favor, shout him out if he ever does. That's how I get on Instagram, whatever case may be. But again, thanks, Nick, and let's get back to the video. I'm in the truck right now just to make sure everything's installed. So I got it running right now. And look, the air, just make sure it's clean. I can taste it. Air tastes better too. You feel me? Now that was from Friday, if y'all ain't never seen that movie, man. But anyway, so the purpose of the cabin filter, I forgot to mention, just like to filter out all that pollen and all that other outside stuff that be coming into the cabin. So if you got allergies and that's about to start kicking up when it start getting warmer here in Texas, make sure that helps make sure all that is not getting into the cab. So, you know, you got clean, fresh air. Motorcraft fresh air. Honestly, I'm thinking really quick. I don't even know if you go to the dealership, unless you tell them to replace that, they're gonna replace it, because I don't know if it's one of those things that they I don't know if they check it or look for it. I mean, if you go in there and do it, you might as well switch it. But I'm just curious. You know, usually it's air filter, oil filter, but nobody never said anything about the cabin filter. But that was super quick, super easy. Trust me, if I can do anything, y'all can do it, because I'm not that handy of a person at all, man. But that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day, baby. We gonna catch y'all. Peace.